Okay, so this is the final video in the tutorial, and I just want to say thank you for taking the time to check out the app and try a different approach to learning languages. That said, if you want to stay in touch, go to the connect button on the app, press the contact button, and it will take you to the page on the website where you can find all the links for social media to stay up to date with what's going on. And there's also a contact form so you can send me some feedback, maybe some criticism, maybe some ideas, and just share maybe some of the work that you've been doing so I can see what you've been up to and you can share your experience with me. The blog is there. I'm putting articles on there about different elements of learning, maybe memory training, different ways of being creative. The books are there, and obviously the website's there in general just to check out. I hope you've enjoyed diving into this first bit of learning languages in a different way. I hope you enjoy the experience and the process, and I really do hope it supports your language learning journey. Thank you, and enjoy being creative.